Automators, welcome back to RPA Automation, your one-stop channel for everything in the world of RPA. In today's video, we are going to learn how to read and write data from CSV or text file. Today's our topic is how to work with CSV or text file in Automation Anywhere. So step by step, we are going to see this in today's video. So this is one of the most common use case in automation. So don't miss out. So we will look at both reading data and writing data, and I will show you how to loop through each row in the file. Let's get started. So first of all, I have taken here CSV or text open file. You can see here in the action panel, you just need to search here CSV. So you can see CSV and text file package is visible here, and from that, if you want, from that we just need to get open action from for open our CSV or text file. So you can see I have given my text file path here to open my text file, or otherwise if you have CSV format, TSV format, so that file also you can provide here. And from for the reading data purpose, I'm going to take this read action in the workspace, right? So this read action we need to take in the workspace, and our session name will be default, and our assigned variable will be table from CSV, right? And just try to run our bot. It's extracting data from the text file or not, right? So for that, I'm going to take here, or we can take message box, or we can run in a debug mode also. So I'm going to run my code in the debug mode to run step by step code and see the action by action performance. So this action is provide you delimiter, like example comma or tab, or any delimiter you can provide also. So run action by action over code. It's opening CSV for our text file, and read. For the read, it's open. Now let me take a close action to see the result. Sorry, CSV, close action, and in the close action we just need to provide our session name. So our session name is default. I have provided. Again, I'm going to run my code in debug mode. So we are fetching data from text file. This action we are going to see in this today's video, and how we can write data to CSV or text file, that also we are going to see. So we just need to open our variable table from CSV. So this is our variable. You can see it's open, and in the original file, if you want to see, I will show you original file also. So this is our text file. So this is our text file. This file I have provided to fetch data, right? So this is extracted properly, and I have given delimiter like a I have given delimiter comma. If you want to use a tab, if you want to use a new line, if you want to use another any specific delimiter, you can give that also. So if you want to take data from one by one. So for that we can use loop before close, and in the loop I am going to use iterator loop, and in the iterator we just need to view our table for each row in a table and just view our table variable. And it will save our record in table row variable. It's a record variable, right? So again, I'm going to use debug, run again. So uh, it will show you one by one, or we have used for each loop. So it will show you for each row in CSV or text file. File is open. It has extracted data, and in the record you can see our first index is country or city. Next is USA, New York. So like that, we can take our record variable. Right. So if you want to write data in the CSV or text file, for that, so we are going to talk about how we can write data to CSV or text file. So for that, we can use write to file action. Just simple type here, write to file, take inside of loop, and here I will give our data table name, file name, path also we need to provide. Here is my file. Mm, So this is my file. You can, if you enable this action, so it will create separate folder. As of now, I don't want to create a separate folder. Append to the existing file. Acha, it will asking where we can write our data. It is not asking existing data. So for that, we just need to create another one text file. So in the file, we are going to create one blank text file. In the RPA test data, we can create another one text file, new text document, new text document too. Otherwise, you can give a output data, output text data. And this part, it was asking. Round comma separated. Right? So just run to test our output. So you can give delimiter as per your requirement. So just check our new output file. This is our output file. You can see here. You can see here our data is created. But it will but it is overrated data. Again and again it is written. So just delete our first data. Delete, save, close, then run again. The debug section we can run to see the root cause. Is open, read inside of loop, and just check this how it is written. It is written all this data at a time. That's why its problems happen. Right? Just delete. And then again. So always check your delimiter, comma and tab or semicolon. So now I think it's our problem is resolved. Now you can see it's written only first time. Right? So like that we can use a CSV or text file. So here a best practice or tips is validate if the file existing using file if file exists action. Always close file handles property if using advanced file manipulation, and that's how it is work with CSV and text file in Automation Anywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, so sure hit bell icon to never miss out any update from RPA Automation. Have any queries or question or want to video on a real-time project using CSV, so drop comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next automation session. Until then, keep automating. Bye bye.